My name is Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media, and today we are at Bicester Heritage for Bicester Scramble. Now the reason why we've come is there's going to be loads of Porsches here today, and I want to see if I can find and spot as many as possible. I hope you enjoy this one. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload whenever I upload a vid. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's go check out some Porsches. Right, so what do we have here? 997 Turbo S. Yeah, that's nice. I love the color. I haven't seen this color before. I guess the owner of this car likes a road trip and needs a bit more luggage space. 992 GT3 Touring in, I don't know, is this like a paint to sample color? Normally this is sort of black, isn't it? Like a matte black. But I like how they've kept it all the same color. This is a 991 GTS. Love this car. Sat next to a GT3 CS. I have not heard of this before. Big shout to S Weber and J Weber. I guess that's a couple, right? GT3 RS. GT3 Touring, 992. My favorite wheels, the center locks. Let's head over this way and see what we can find. We've got a 993. 993?
Are you serious?
Sorry. 991 GTS alongside a, what do we have over here? 911T 2.4, and then we have a 930 even not hidden GT3 RS. That wing looks extra large, man. Oh, check out the air intakes, carbon fiber air intakes on the side. Not a Porsche, but my favorite, one of my all-time favorite cars, the Lancia HF Integrale. I think this is the Evo version. Oh, that is beautiful. Another backdated Porsche. Nice roll cage in there as well. Loving the seats. We've already featured one of these on the channel. Yeah, that is sweet. Cool. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what else we've got. M3 Touring. Alpina, what's that, an M4 Alpina? I haven't seen one of those before. M4 Alpina. We have a Porsche Dakar 992. Oh, this is nice. 944 with a bolt-on wide body kit. I've never seen this before. This would make a great project car, a 944. Is this a 930 turbo? Yeah. That's tidy. Alongside a 964. Oh, look at the fitment. Loving the color as well. That's really nice. Sort of like a bronze, matte bronze. Even got a matching badge in the matte bronze. All right. What we got? What we got? Is this a 96? No. What is this? A 928? 928? Alongside a Ferrari Testarossa? Yeah, my Ferrari knowledge is like quite limited. I don't really know much about them. I was right, Testarossa. Another 964. We've just bumped into Chris. We recorded the video with the Outlaw replica, and it's done really well. So yeah, good to see you, Chris.
And you, Trevor.
And yeah, we'll catch up to do another video.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, take care, Chris. Now this is interesting. This car has US number plates, and I've never seen this color before, and I'm not even too sure what the spec is. Is this a GTS? It's got center lock wheels, left-hand drive, ducktail spoiler, and I love the badge as well. That is nice. I guess that's more of the later 991s, 992 badges. That is tidy. This is a really nice example. I think it's slightly modified, but it's done tastefully. If it's not a factory option spec, I think it's done quite tastefully. Yeah. But yeah, did this person, obviously it's an import, they brought it from Texas. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's keep walking around. I swear, we're not even like halfway around this place. This place is huge. Ooh, just dropped my glove. What's gathering over there? Is that the Singer? Let's go and take a look. We're sort of back at the entrance. Oh, I think it's is that the Aston Martin Valkyrie? And what is this hiding away? Yeah, this paintwork's seen better days. I bet this car has a good story to tell. I think this is this like US spec again? Because I don't think these bumpers are Euro spec. 997 GT3. Short wheelbase Audi Quattro. Nice. Alongside a long wheelbase Quattro. So what we have here is a bunch of 930s. This one is a turbo, and we have a cabriolet. Let's take a look at inside. Followed by another 930. Is this one a turbo as well? Nice. Bad 930. That's a nice plate. Tucked away, we have another 930. Ford GT40. What is this, guys? What is this? What is this model? Is it a 930 that's been highly modified? I don't know. This is one I'm gonna have to Wikipedia. Oh, I've just heard someone say it's a 959. Oh, now this is lovely. this has a lovely stance. Those BBS wheels just really fit those arches. Yeah, I'm assuming this is on air. All right, let's make our way back this way. And yeah, it's really busy today.
You know,
and we'll see what cars are over here.
brilliant.
Oh, let's just take a look at this. That is very, very low. I think this is probably the star of the show. This is a singer. Ooh, look, take a look at that. That is nice. All right, let's crack on through here. Well, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Ford Mustang, McLaren's at 720, GT3, another GT3. I don't know much about Ferraris, not even gonna try. Lotus, McLaren, R8 V10 Spider. Oh, we have a Dakar 992. That is nice. I love the livery on this one. Perfect for London roads, speed bumps, potholes. Not too sure if you're gonna get through 6x6, but if you do scrape it, you can just replace this plastic trim. God knows how much that will cost you from Porsche though. You know what this car reminds me of? It reminds me of the Audi Allroad, Audi A6 Allroad. Yeah, that's nice still. All right, what else do we have? We've got a Lamborghini Huracan over here. Alongside two more Lotuses. That's tidy. And Ferrari 355? 355, sorry, 355. Is that the 360? I think that's a 360. Alongside my all-time favorite hot hatch, the Integrale. Yeah, what can I say? If anyone played Sega Rally when I was a kid, this is the car you would always pick. It was either this or the Toyota Celica GT4 in that game. Love it. GT3. What's this, a Lamborghini something or another? Can't stand that paint, that's disgusting. Ugh. All right, what else, what else? Oh, there we go. For all the Sega Rally fans, Lancia Integrale, the Sega Rally edition. Oh my God, this is so sick. Wow, that is tight. Look how tiny these wing mirrors are. you don't care about what's behind you when you know you got wing mirrors this size, right? It's all about going forward. That is beautiful. Okay, GT3 RS in matte. Not feeling the gold. Matte and gold, that don't work, man. I like the wheel color though. What do you reckon? And like, it's just all vents. Like again, it's like everywhere. It's like, there's just like, air. Like, I like the carbon wing mirrors. That is tiny. Yeah. And again, the biggest wing in the world. You can like lie down on it. I love it in the active aero. That is sweet. That is beautiful. Oh, do you know what? It's this guy, isn't it? Look. There's that guy from Carwell. Ah, it's his car. That's why. Sorry. It's that matte from Carwell. That's why it's all matte looking. That's so nice though. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, sorry. Cool. And look, it's got like the stick-on badge. It's not even like the real one. Again, for lightness. That's tidy. Really thin.
A few moments later.
Matt Wasson, I want to ask you what your 5-car dream garage is, but there's caveats to this, right? So you have to have one road trip car,
Yeah.
one classic car,
Yeah.
one daily family car,
Yeah.
one project car,
Yeah.
and one car that is all of them.
That does everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so first, a track car. So what would be your track car? Well, we all know what your track car would be, right? But your 5-car dream garage,
No,
what
track
would be?
car's not going to be a GT3 RS.
No?
No, probably not. I'd probably go with something like an Aerial Atom R.
Okay. And
Just hardcore focused track car, yeah.
what would be your everyday road car?
No, actually, I'm going to have a Radical. I'm going to have a Radical for the track car.
Okay,
Let's just do it properly.
All right, Radical track car.
Yeah.
Road car? Yeah, everyday road car?
Audi RS6.
Okay. Project car?
Every car's a project car. So, but what? I've got a supercharged MX-5. So
That's a project car.
So that's a project car.
Yeah,
Although it's
yeah.
not like projecty because the project's been done and it doesn't keep breaking.
Classic car?
Ferrari 250 GTI California.
Nice. And was there another one?
A car that does everything.
Car
No,
that-
road trip car. Road trip.
Road trip, yes.
Porsche 911 ST, but without the roll cage, so I can put stuff on the back seats.
Nice. You know what? I met Chris
Chris
Harris.
Yeah.
I asked him what his everyday car was, and it was a 911 Touring.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Hasn't he got
yeah.
one? I think.
Yeah. I
He's
think
got
he
one.
has
That's why.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, man.
No,
I love
thank
your
you.
channel.
Yeah, thank you very
Cheers.
much.
If it wasn't for you, I probably would have started mine. So yeah,
Oh,
keep
it's cool.
doing what you're
It's
doing,
good to
man.
hear.
I
Thank
love
you
it.
very much.
Cheers, man. And yeah, and I love the car as well.
Car.
I'm not a fan of the gold.
Shut up about the
stickers,
gold.
though.
They can be removed.
The wheels, yes, but yeah, okay, good. Oh, thank you so much, Matt.
No worries.
Cheers. Take care. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. This is the end. We're heading back to the car. There's so many cars here. It's pretty much impossible to go around and name them all, but I hope you enjoyed the ones that I picked out. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this content if people you know like this sort of stuff. Anyway, I'm Trevor Joseph. You've been watching Rolling Slow Media. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.